Hi everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. Today we will learn new functions in Excel. We're gonna learn minimum, maximum, and count. In this table, we will practice the minimum and maximum functions. Firstly, I would like to introduce you to the table. The table presents us the student's grade for the math, physics, and chemistry. Now let's find the average here. I need to start with the equal, and for every formula starts with the equal. I'm going to look for the average of them. I can find from this list, and press tab to choose the thing you're looking for, and then select the numbers you want to get average, and press enter, and it will apply for the whole. Because I assigned this part as a table, that's why it affects all the column. Alright, if you want, you can also select them all and decrease or increase the the decimals. Here we go. This one to decrease, this one to increase. Okay, the one decimal will be enough for me. Okay, and now we will find the highest average. This is the new function we learned, that we will look for the maximum because highest we're looking for. I'm going to press tab again and select these all the column and the average part, and I'm going to press enter, and it will give me the highest one. Okay, highest one is the 8.666 and goes on ends with the 7. Actually it's the 8.7. Well, I would like to show you this one right here. When I decrease the number, the decimal place, and it will turn to 8.7. okay, because the digit after 7 is bigger than 5. For that reason it will turn to 7. Alright, I'm going to find the minimum, min, press the tab and select all, and again the same result. Okay, that's it. Now I would like to show you also the count function. Alright, let's say there is an attendance list for the students right here, and we will look for the how many hours the students late, how many hours the students didn't come school, let's say, and how many days they didn't come school. Okay, I'm going to do this one equal the how many hours they didn't come. I will have to do this sum. I just have to get the sum and select these all. Okay, and press enter. That's it, and it will find for all. And the students will be late 15 hours. Example, first students become 15 hours for the first week, and the second student 8 hours, and on. In total days, we will find in how many days of the week the student didn't participate the lessons. Let's see, in the first day, second, third, and fifth day, student didn't participate some lessons. That's why I'll say the first student didn't participate the lessons in the 4 days of the week. The second student didn't participate 2 days of the week, and this one day, 2 and 3. I can count these numbers. Example, how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. For that reason, I'm going to use the count. Okay, I'm going to press tab and select these numbers. Here we go. And it just counts the values. Okay, it doesn't consider how big or how small it is. It just considers the existence of the value, and it considers them as a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it tells me 4. So with that one, we understand that student didn't participate in lessons 4 days of the week. Okay, that was it. We will learn more functions in the following tutorials. Thanks for watching for this tutorial. Bye bye.